Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unpacking and it's this. It's nothing to look at on the packaging. It's a 6-foot extension cable. It says on Amazon it's a USB-C 3.1 extension cable, 6 foot, 183 centimetres. It's got Thunderbolt 3, Type-C male to female charging data video audio extend adapter called for MacBook Pro, Nintendo Switch, USB-C hub, dock, Samsung Galaxy S8. So the reason I bought this is because when I'm charging this up, the lead is not very long and it's about half the size of that 6-foot one, so just about 3 foot, which is what, 91 centimetres, something like that long. And you know, you're restricted by the length. And I normally have it plugged in down there, but sometimes I'd like to have it on the desk, but still have it plugged in for charging if it's low on the battery. So with that, I thought I'll get one of these. Now I know it says it's Thunderbolt 3, and I don't have a Thunderbolt 3 connection, but it should work straight on the C connection, USB-C, because I have a USB-C, so it should just plug in and work, and that's what I thought I'd buy it for. So I can plug it into this for charging up. But also what I want to do is plug it into this, not just for charging, but for data transfer. So if I want to transfer something from this to the computer or vice versa, I should be able to do it. So I'm going to do a little experiment as well. I've got a video, so I want to transfer that onto this device and see how long it takes. So it's a little experiment for that as well. So with that, I'll do the unpacking. Shut that down for a second, go away. Gone. Let's do the unpacking. Just a simple, no point in me showing you around this really, because there's nothing there, you know, it's just got the name of the company. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. But I've already bought one cable from them in the past, and when I ordered that one, I ordered this one as well at the same time. But I haven't had a chance to do the video for it, and I wanted to do a video. So yeah, so there you go, look, 6 foot. It's quite long. It's quite flexible. Well, it's not a real stiff cable, which is quite nice. So you've got a bit more play with it, because some cables can be too stiff, and you have job putting them wherever you want to put them. So this is quite nice. Feels like a good quality lead. I'll just show you the end. You won't see. So obviously it's a female one, and that's a male one. There's no lightning bolt to say it's a Thunderbolt, but it says it's a Thunderbolt, and I have no reason to disbelieve them. So yeah, quality of the cabling, yeah, it's very nice. Feels very good. So what we'll do now, we'll get my cable that I normally use, and we'll plug it in. Oh, would help to get the right end. So that goes in now, and this can go into this. So that would go into there, so that would charge that up, and normally I would put that in there for charging. And then plug it into my socket right down here. That's it. So I could add that on the desk easily, as you can see. Yeah, it's quite a lot of room there. So that's charging up. See that? Big that little thing up there. It says it's charging. Yeah, look, it says. So yeah, it's going to work straight out of the package. So it'll work on virtually any connection, whether it's a USB-C. It should just work. So you need so yeah, so that just works straight out of the box. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test it on my computer. So it should work just straight on my computer. My computer should just pick it up. So plug it into my USB 3. Oh, would help if I put it around the right way. Now I'm not sure of the speed of the actual device itself. Allow file transfer, yes. I'm not sure how fast this lead is, but this should be quite fast, but obviously it'd be bottlenecked by any other lead. So that's plugged in, and we need to do some data transfers. So I've set it all up, and what we're going to do, that's the hard drive for my ASUS ZenPad. I'm going to install one of my videos, which is this one here. And the size is 1.9 gigabytes, so it's just over a gig. So So I think that's good enough. I'm going to use a stopwatch. I'm using my phone as a stopwatch to record it. So with that, shall we see how long she takes? So get it ready, on your marks, get set, go. There she goes. Like I say, it's just over a gig. It gives you a rough idea of how fast or slow it is. And looking at that, it looks pretty fast so far. It says 3 minutes and 30 seconds. But I don't think that's going to take longer than a minute, do you? Come on, my baby. And don't forget, it can only go as fast as what the device it's coming from and the storage it's going to. So it's nearly done. And that's done. So say 34 seconds to do that. So not fast, not slow at all, is it? 34 seconds. I'm quite pleased with that. So that's it for this little test. And we're going to delete that because I don't really want it on there. Goodbye. And that's gone. So yeah, that's quite impressive. I'm quite pleased with that. So I'm going to unplug it because it's charging up as well, don't forget. So like I said, it gives you all this extra lead, which is a lot better than what you actually get with the device or with this. So does it get Yorkie's thumbs up? Yes, it does. Yeah, I'm very pleased with it. 6 foot, it's quite a good length. Actually, what I'll do is I'll get the screen up so you can see it. So there you go. So yeah, as it said, look, Thunderbolt 3. Cost me just under £12 to buy. And yeah, it's good bit of cabling. It's nice. It feels like good quality cable. And try not to break it. It does everything I want it to do, and it will do a lot more because obviously you can use it on other devices that I haven't got. So for instance, like your MacBook Pro, your Nintendo Switch. I might actually try and get one of them Nintendo Switches. I'll see if I can get them to send me one. USB-C hub. Well, you know, USB-C. We just plugged it into USB-C, and you see how fast it transfer files over. So that's really good. Does Samsung Galaxy S8, and I'm sure it will do a hell of a lot more as well. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this lead. Yeah, like I said, it gets my thumbs up. If you have any comments or any concerns and you'd like to discuss them with me, please post them below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And don't forget, I'll always stick a link in the description in case you want to buy this lead or one from this company. Like I said, I can't pronounce their name, so I'm not even going to try pronounce their name. It's a funny name, that thing up there, but you know, I'll stick a link in there so you can go straight to this page. I had a couple of bad reviews and I'm not sure why, because you know, it is what it is. It's a lead, so I can't see I got any bad reviews. It plugged in and worked straight away, so yeah, I'm very pleased with this. So with that, thank you very much for watching my video, and like I always say, if you have any comments, please post them below, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you get notified for when my videos go live or when I do some live streaming.